So it's day one here at the Dusseldorf boot show. Hope I pronounced that okay. And today we've got something very exciting. We've got the world premiere of the Prestige F4.3. This is the replacement to the previous Prestige 4.20, and for a 43-foot boat it crams in tons of space and allows for an excellent feel both on the water and on board. So now we'll head on to the bathing platform. This is hydraulic and it allows you to have the option of this outdoor galley. Now this is great just because if you're in the water you can lower the hydraulic platform and then it just allows a nice feeling when you're cooking and doing your outdoor dishes, things like that. Then coming out we've got this nice transom gate and everything on here just feels like a very nice finish, and they're definitely upping their game and getting extremely high quality finishes. And then coming on to the aft cockpit seating, it's a lovely feel, and you've both got this U-shaped seating, and when you sat here it's a really lovely feel. You're looking out onto the water, and especially it works well with this aft galley. So all the upholstery feels very premium compared to on the previous Prestiges. It wasn't quite that next level touch, whereas they're really seeming to up that game now. Obviously we'll go into your engine access shortly. This boat's fitted with twin Volvo Penta D6s, 440 horsepower with performance of around 32-33 knots top speed, cruising anywhere between 24-26 knots. So one special feature on this Prestige is you've actually got two side access doors. Now this just gives you tons of space in your galley and it's very fully functional. So obviously if Fred comes around he'll show you what it's got to offer. So we've got a really nice feel here with this opening hatch, which just creates a very social space. Here we've got a very nice sink with really premium quality feels on the worktops and everything. We've then got a ceramic hob beneath an oven and plenty of storage throughout. Everything, the woodwork, it's just a really nice feel in here. Then coming onto your fridge, you've got a really nice size fridge in there. So if you're out for a week or two, you've got plenty of storage for your drinks and food. And then again, plenty of storage. And it's just things like this stainless around the grills. Just adds that extra bit of quality, which we didn't see previously. Beneath, we've got
Ice maker.
an ice maker, and then plenty more storage. So then we'll head into the saloon area, again using that really premium quality feel, and then even the finishes above, the speakers and everything, it just feels very, very nice in here. I keep saying it, but it does feel really nice and a big improvement since the Prestige 4.20. Things like the tinted glass as well with your displays to access your batteries and everything like that. It's just a really nice touch. So obviously on your table it lowers, spins around, just so you can create the feel how you want it to be. And like I say, you can see yourself lounging here. If we're in the Med or even moored in a bay, you would feel absolutely lovely in here. So we're here at the helm station now, and it is a really lovely feel. One thing I must note as well is the visibility is absolutely fantastic. With that rear aft opening hatch, it allows for great visibility. And then we've obviously got all your essentials. Auto trim tabs, you've got your two Garmin displays, joystick, throttles full nicely to hand. Everything just feels very well designed and very well thought of. And then obviously you've got your autopilot and everything like these display switches just feel very premium compared to what they previously were. Also to note, on the saloon area we've got a TV which just very simple,
Folds away.
just folds away and then just looks very nice and discreet. So we'll head down below and show you what it's got to offer. So we're here in the forward guest cabin and everything feels very nice again. All the carpets, headlining, everything's a nice touch, even like this marble effect on the wood just feels very premium. Tons of storage on board, so if you're spending a week or two away you've got plenty of room to store it. Very nice hanging cupboards. And for a twin cabin boat, It feels very spacious in here, tons of room to get around. I'm 6'2" and I've still got a good amount of headroom. Even Freddie's 6'1" in quite a big unit and he's still got a lot of headroom. And then another nice feature is these closing doors, which then allow access into your head. If Fred meets you around, he can show you some panning shots in there. And like I say, very well designed and allows for plenty of space in there. So if Fred follows through, we'll show you into the VIP cabin. So we're here in the VIP cabin and it is a spectacular finish in here yet again. The materials on the wall, everything is a step above from the previous model. We've got the strip lighting carried out again, and then these windows which are very large and allow for lots of natural light to be filling the room. We've got the nice marble tops again with the stainless on top, just making it feel a very premium feel in here. Lots of storage again, and very easy to move and maneuver around here. I'm 6'2", like I said, I keep saying it, but it really is a nice feel and just allows you to move around. We've got sliding wardrobes, LED strip lighting, tons of storage around here, TV, everything you need to stay nice and comfy on board. It's been very well thought of, the light oak contrast with the dark marble, and then we've got plenty of natural light. The light surfaces as well, it just works really nicely. We get plenty of light coming in, so you will never feel like it's dark and dreary in here. And the bed as well, nice and comfy. I might just have to take a quick nap before we head into the heads. So we're here in the heads now. We've got a very nice shower, plenty of headroom as you can see, and then the sliding glass doors. Good sized toilet in here. Nice sink, nice feel again. Plenty of storage throughout. So we'll head out and show you some more features of the Prestige F4.3. So we've got this overhang as well as this nice arch. Just creates like a super yacht feel. So let's head on to the sunbathing forward deck. We've got these nice rails which run alongside nice and high. And then we've got the sunpad area. So you can see yourself lounging on here in the sunshine. Obviously in England we might get a little bit less, but still a very nice feel up here. And as you can see, who wouldn't love being sat on here in the sunshine? But it's just your classic sunpad area, and what more can you ask for in a 43-foot boat? So another feature me and Fred have picked out is we really like this matte finish, which they weren't previously doing, but it just makes it stand out compared to the white, and it just creates a bit more of an aggressive look. So let's head on to the flybridge and show you what it's got to offer. So one very nice feature here on the flybridge is we've actually got the integrated fridge, which falls nicely, so you can store your drinks, your beers, which I'm sure you would, and then you've got this very nice opening leaf table. And there is just tons of space up here compared to the previous 420, partly because we have no longer got the upstairs galley, which we've now got on the hydraulic platform, which personally in my opinion is much better just because you get much more room up here. And as I say, it's a really nice feel. You've got your forward facing sunpad area and then you're seating on the aft end. But coming on to the helm station now, we've got premium feel all around us. So we've got everything feels nicely to hand, throttles, bow thruster, joystick, autopilot, Garmin, chart plotters. Everything feels very nice, auto trim tabs, but it's all thought of well, excellent visibility from up here. So it's everything you want and no compromises at all on the helm. And it's just features like USBs, which you wouldn't have to leave your phone downstairs. It's just everything's been well thought of. And it's a very comfortable area. We're not feeling like we're squeezed in here. Like I say, I'm not the shortest guy and I've still got a lot of room when moving around. And you could comfortably seat 4 to 6 people on here easily, which is really what this boat's designed for. Feeling nice and comfortable with a nice couple or family on board. Just features like this. So we can make it more versatile up here. so you can lounge, make it into a nice sociable area, which boating should all be about, making it a comfortable experience on the water. So heading down now, we've got no compromise coming down here at all. Very easy. Coming onto your engine bay now, we've got plenty of room in here. You've obviously got your Volvo Penta D6, 440 horsepower. We've got plenty of room for servicing and things in here. We've got the generator, and then obviously when servicing your engines and just when you're doing tasks in here, there's plenty of room to move around. And for a 43-foot size, it's not a bad engine bay at all. Lit well. Fred will get you some pan shots shortly. Right, so we're going to give myself a quick hose down. Just shaking, we've got the aft cockpit shower, just a very good feature. Just so if you are muddy and obviously you want to give yourself a quick clean, then you can do. Just a well thought of feature. So located on the bathing platform, we've got a well-sized storage locker just for your lines, fenders, and that sort of thing. Very easy to get to, giving you nice, easy access. So your Prestige 4.3 is the entry level to get into Prestige now, and it provides that aggressive, contemporary look, which they are really up in the game now. As you can see with the arches, the new window design, everything is just coming into place, and it looks absolutely fantastic. And for a 43-foot boat, getting you into the brand of Prestige, it provides that, and it lives up to the hype. I was looking forward to it, and as soon as I got on, it exceeded my expectations. Right, so we're now in the shop. So this boat actually starts at 690,000 X year options. So with some options, you're looking at around 850 for a fairly basic spec. Then obviously once you start getting into the more spec'd up, the more expensive it's going to be. But for an entry-level boat, it sits within that market, and it is absolutely fantastic. Everything on here just feels premium and quality. So come and view it here at Dusseldorf Boot Show, and we're open from the 18th to the 26th, so today's the opening day. So come and see it while it's available to view.